Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're going to take a closer look at a new stamp set with coordinating dies called Pretty Wonderful. And this stamp and die combo is a part of Trinity Stamp's latest release called Happily Ever After. And here you can see how everything looks after I have cut it out and stamped everything and of course colored it in. I absolutely love how everything looks. And you can see how well this die set really cuts. So here you can see all the dies and stamps together, and here is the stamp set as well as the project that I created with this stamp set. And if you like this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I will leave you with some more inspiration from the design team, and if you like even more inspiration, you can always visit our Facebook page, Instagram, blog, and of course the YouTube channel. Until next time, have a great day!